Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. So it's not only Moto GP bikes that can have winglets. A Zontes optional extra is a rear winglet that I am sure won't give you any downforce at the rear. Yet it looks cool as an added extra to your ride. I just wish I could afford the bike itself. But that's life. I am sure in one of my other dimension lives, I am burning up the road with a big grin on my face. An easy-to-do add-on to your ride that won't cost the earth. That's it for now, folks. Please take a look at my channel where you will find over 2,000 videos on maintaining your Zontes motorbike.